Okay. Uh, Welcome to the class, students. This is our uh,
Thank you, sir.
biology class, first class of biology. In this chapter, this is unit 16. According to our textbook, according to our curriculum, living beings. At first, you are familiar with living beings. You know the characteristics of living beings, general characteristics. And in living beings, there are two categories. One is plant and another animal, which you have already studied in grade 7. Today we'll discuss about bacteria and viruses. Okay, at first, here is virus. This is microbiology, okay? Microbiology. That means microscopic animals structure, which we need microscope for the study. Therefore, this is microbiology. Generally, look here, viruses can infect animals, plants, and even bacteria. That means bacteria also can be affected by or infected by virus. Viruses are very small, smaller than bacteria. Therefore, the treatment of virus is very difficult. That virus is very small, maybe the smallest animal uh, in this microbiology. This is very dangerous. Most of the viruses are beneficial to us, but some are very dangerous, which infect animals, plants, and even bacteria, and they cause disease. Viruses are not included in the major plant kingdom. Viruses is not a plant, it is a transition between plant and animal. Some scientists say it is animal, some scientists say it is plant, but it is in a debate. Okay. Anyway, it is very minute in its structure. Viruses were discovered after bacteria. At first, bacteria was discovered. Afterwards, while in the study of bacteria, virus was discovered by Dutch scientist in 1900. In 1900, Dutch scientist. Dutch means that Netherlands scientist, and in 1900, and he gave its structure. He did many experiments on tobacco plants because tobacco plants are very attractive plants for virus. And here is one disease, mosaic disease. Mosaic disease, that means leaves of tobacco. Tobacco means tambaku. Tobacco means tambaku, surti. Leaves of tobacco plant were attacked by virus, and scientists studied about the disease and found that there is presence of microorganism other than bacteria, and he concluded it is another new and gave the name virus. Then the virus word, this word is uh, Latin word. This virus is Latin word and its meaning is poison. Meaning of virus is poison. Okay, and it is Latin word. In 1940, in 1940, more experiments uh, carried on, and because electron microscope was developed at that time. Before 1940, it was very difficult for the study, but In 1940, due to the development of electron microscope, this is very advanced type of microscope. It was able to do many experiments on virus. Okay, main characteristics of virus. Look here, virus has two states. One is active state. Yes, one is active state and another is passive state. When in active state, a virus and a viron means dormant and not in contact with the host cell. That means this is isolated virus, not infected to any other plants or animals. That is called viron. And attacked, infected is called virus. You see, it is when active. Active means infected to other plants or animals. Host cell means where the virus is attacked. Where the virus is attacked, that cell is called host cell. And it can also remain within an organism. Virus can live inside the cell also and in the tissue also. Virus can attack inside the cell also and in tissue also. And there are two parts in any animal, RNA and DNA. In virus, in virus, uh, there is
Sir,
DNA. Excuse me, okay.
the DNA means
DNA and RNA, these two are a kind of protein found cell, within the cell. Virus is also one single cell inside that virus body. Virus means one single cell, and inside virus there is RNA type of protein. It is type of protein, okay? And this is infectious. Due to this RNA, virus can attack other animals. Okay, and viruses are, some scientists say that viruses are not living. Some scientists say that viruses are dead. They have no life. Some scientists say, okay, and because they don't respire, virus don't respire, don't eat anything, don't excrete any other waste products, and they don't grow their size, and they don't move on their own. Virus don't move themselves. They are transferred from one place to another by any other external physical medium. For example, nowadays we are in a very dangerous stage of virus attack, that is COVID-19. COVID-19 is the name of one virus, and it cannot move itself. But this COVID-19 is transferred from one place to another by air, by spot of uh, our mouth, from that sneeze, etc. But they cannot move themselves. Okay, they are traveled from one place to another by other means. And viruses are intracellular parasites and only survive inside the cell. Outside the cell, viruses will die. Therefore, social distance means if we stay at least 2 meter distances from the infected person, then what happens? From 2 meter, viruses cannot walk themselves, they cannot move themselves, and if viruses are spread out from the diseased person, those viruses will die because they are outside the cell. Then they are closely contact with the diseased people. Then what happens? Suddenly we breathe in. When we breathe in, those viruses are taken inside our lungs. From lungs, they are carried to blood cell and directly they get chance to stay inside our blood cell. From blood cell, then what happens? They can be alive. But outside the cell, virus cannot live. Viruses can live only inside our cell, inside cell. Okay, and they can only reproduce within a living cell. From one virus to 100 virus, that development, that is reproduction. That reproduction is like just a breaking, not growth. Okay, just breaking. Then inside cell only they can multiply in number from hundreds to hundred, from to thousands, from thousands to millions. Like this, their number will be multiplied only inside cell, and therefore those development is possible only within the cell. That is intracellular. Intracellular means, look here, here is one term, intracellular. Intracellular means inside cell, inside uh, inside cell. This intracellular, look here, intracellular means inside cell. Okay, and most of the viruses are beneficial, but only few are uh, carrying associated with disease. After the virus leaves the host cell, that means if I am suffering from virus and after some time, after some days, viruses left my body, then what happens? The host cell is destroyed. Look here. When host cell is destroyed, host cell means if I am suffering from virus, then body cell is host cell. If virus leaves my body shell, then there is no virus, then that cell is destroyed. That cell is destroyed. If there is virus, then cell is alive. If virus leaves out, cell will cell will be destroyed. In this way, these are few characteristics of viruses. Look here. There is one general structure of virus. General structure. Look here. Virus is designed as like a polygon. Look here. Like a polygon. One, arm, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Like this, 10-sided polygon. It is like a decagon. Like a decagon. Pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nanogon, and decagon, like this. Okay, this is virus is structurally structurally virus looks like a uh, hexagon or uh, polygon. Okay? Any type of polygon. Virus is a cellular. A cellular means actually it is not a cell. Actually, virus is not a cell because to become cell, there must be presence of nucleus, cytoplasm, and other organelles. Other organelles, ribosomes, lysosomes, mitochondria, etc. But within virus, these are absent. These are absent. There is no nucleus, no cytoplasm, and no organelles inside virus. Therefore, due to the absence of these, viruses are termed as acellular. Viruses is acellular. There is no presence of nucleus, plasma, or other organelles. Okay, and viruses have a simple structure consisting of a core of DNA. Core means like combination. Main part is DNA or RNA. If there is DNA, there will not be RNA. If there is RNA, there will not be DNA. Okay, these RNA and DNA, these are proteinous filament. Look here, like thread-like structure is shown here. Thread-like structure. This is whether DNA or RNA. Okay, and this outermost covering is called envelope. Outermost covering is called envelope, and this structure is called capsid. This structure is called capsid. This whole body is called capsid. Okay, and there is one acid, nucleic acid. This nucleic acid is present in DNA or RNA. Nucleic acid is present in DNA or RNA. Okay, nucleic acid, DNA and RNA. Inside DNA or RNA, there is nucleic acid. It is a type of acid, and this is covered by proteinous covering that is called capsid. Okay, and in some viruses, capsid is covered by an envelope of a lipid layer. This thick layer is called extra covering. This thin cover is called it's capsid. Up to here it is called capsid, and in some viruses there may be presence of more extra stronger covering that is called bilipid layer, that is lipid layer, and that is called envelope. Okay, in this way these are general structure of virus. Look here, according to the shape of virus, according to the shape of virus, there may be these type of shapes. According to the shape, okay. Some viruses are polyhedral. Poly means many, many, many. Look, how many faces are there? Triangular faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Three, four,
and in back side also same 8.
one,
Like
two,
this.
one, two,
Polyhedral,
three,
okay.
four, five, six, seven. Sir,
Poly,
8.
in one side 8, in opposite side also 8. Total 8 plus 8, it will be 16.
One.
This is just only one example, okay? This is just one example.
Okay.
Polyhedral, cubical. In polyhedral, that may be cubical, like a cube. And name of virus is adenovirus. Name of virus
Adenovirus.
is adenovirus. This is adenovirus.
Adenovirus.
Adenovirus. This is adenovirus. Adenovirus is this one. And another may be helical type. Helical. That means spiral cylinder. That means inside this cylinder shape, inside cylinder cell shape, uh, shape that are in circle like this. RNA. This is RNA like this. RNA will be encircled in this way. RNA cylinder shape, like spring shape inside. Okay, and this is tobacco virus.
Tobacco virus.
Tobacco virus is cylinder shape. This is tobacco virus. And another type of virus is complex type of virus, that is combination of polyhedral and helical. Polyhedral and helical shape, that combination, and like a tadpole. One is big head and another small tail. This type of virus is called complex,
Bacteriophage.
yes, complex virus and bacteriophage.
Tadpole-like
Yes,
called
bacteriophage
bacteria.
phage virus. When these virus attack bacteria, then therefore this type of bacteria virus are called bacteriophage virus. This virus can attack bacteria also. This is bacteriophage virus. These are few examples of viruses according to their shape. According to their shape. Okay. Okay. Life cycle not necessary for all. Life cycle is not necessary for us. Uh, this is life cycle of virus. Okay. Effects on body. What happens when that virus attacks to our body? What happens? Okay. What happens? Look here. Host cells are affected in three ways. We are affected by virus in three ways. One is the host cell may be destroyed. When viruses are attacked in our body, then what happens? Cells may be destroyed. That means I think you have heard the news that when any person is attacked by COVID-19, COVID-19, after X-ray or other medical treatment, it is concluded that his or her lungs was totally destroyed. There was no presence of or no existence of lungs. That means COVID-19 bacteria virus attacked the lungs. Lungs are attacked by virus COVID-19 and lung cells are destroyed. Therefore, in medical test, lungs was not seen there. That means lungs was already damaged. One effect is one effect of virus is uh, destruction of cell. Infected cell is destroyed. They may swell and burst. Is with nerve cells infected with the rabies virus. Another another effect of the virus in the body, cells may not be able to function correctly. If cell is not destroyed totally, cells cannot function correctly. That means cell is very weak now. Most probably, cells will be destroyed. If it is not destroyed, even then it cannot work properly. Okay, ciliated. One example: ciliated epithelial cells. It is in intestine. Okay, intestine. Ciliated epithelial cells infected with the influenza virus. Influenza is very high fever disease. Due to this, what happens? Our body cell where the virus is attacked that cannot work properly. Another third effect, the virus can interact with the host cell's chromosome, causing a mutation. That means you have seen, I think, cancer. Okay, I want to draw here one figure. Okay, that chromosome means okay. mm, okay, let's see. This is cell, blood cell, and uh, this is okay. Okay, let's say this is bacteria. This is sorry, virus, and this is animal cell.
Bacteria.
This is animal cell. Example. Okay, this is only animal cell. Then here is inside back virus there is RNA. This is RNA. There is RNA. In animal cell there is chromosome. This is chromosome. Inside nucleus. Okay, this is chromosome. Then what happens? Then what happens? Sometimes what happens? These RNA and chromosome fuses. Chromosome and RNA fuses each other. This RNA and chromosome mix. Then what happens? Due to this, there will be mutation. Look here, mutation. Here is one term, mutation. That means new type of new type of uh, cell will be developed. New type of cell will be will be developed. Okay, and from here, new type of cell will be developed. Yes, new type of cell will be developed, and this is called mutation. This is called mutation, and mutation is very danger. It causes cancer. It causes cancer. That means due to mutation, what happens? There will be abnormal growth of cell. Abnormal growth. Very
Excuse me,
rapid
sir.
of cell. In
Excuse
short
me,
time,
sir.
okay,
Can you tell me the full form of DNA?
DNA, okay. Uh, DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, okay. DNA. DNA means deoxy. Deoxy. Okay, for easiness, I break this. Okay, deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA means just ribonucleic acid. RNA means ribonucleic acid. Okay. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA means ribonucleic acid. Okay.
Thank
This
you, sir.
full form. Okay. In this way, in three ways, viruses will destroy our body. Main point is here. Okay. Main point is here in last year. The immune system becomes activated in order to fight the infection. If there is virus attack in the body, our body immune system try to fight. This may lead to fever. Therefore, we suffer from fever, tiredness, or an opportunistic disease. That means another symptomatic disease will be uh, in the body. This is the situation to fight against virus. Okay. Okay. Till now, do you have any question? Do you have any question till now?
No, sir.
No. Okay, then I
Yes,
think
sir.
uh, time is about to finish. Then when time is over, then you rejoin. Okay, rejoin.